So here's how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro MP4 files not importing or issues when importing them. Now these problems usually occur to encoding problems with the codec, and to solve them you will simply need to convert the MP4 file into a supported file format such as MOV file. Now, how to do this is simple. You can simply do it online using an online converter by opening your browser and then searching online MP4, or simply type MP4 to MOV converter online and then click on the first link for cloudconverter.com. Now you will simply grab your MP4 file. So I'm going to grab this file right here, and then it says convert to. You select MOV or whichever format you'd like, then simply click on convert and wait for it to upload the file, and then start converting it on the cloud. Now once the upload is completed, you should see a download button here which you can click on to download your video in MOV format. Then you can simply drag it over to your Adobe Premiere Pro, and it should import it should work perfectly. Now you can simply, if this does not solve your problem, which should generally solve most of the problems with importing MP4, you can go to File, Edit, Preferences, and then Media. And in the Media tab, you will need to disable H264 HEVEC hardware accelerated decoding. Make sure to disable that, press OK, then restart Adobe Premiere Pro again, and try again re-importing your MP4 file, and that should fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.